is M6Q4, and it's not a specifically difficult question. It's just, I think many people are confused. What am I asking? What is the least number of probabilities do we need to specify? Or alternatively, I use the word, what's the number of parameters we need to specify for a base net? Or what's the number of parameters we need to specify for a bigram trigram model? Or sometimes I call what's the number of, say, the weights that we need to specify. They are technically not weights, so either I should say probabilities or parameters. What the question is asking is basically how many things we need to keep track in the CPT, conditional probability table. So here, for example, B can take 4 values and A can take 5 values. So I need to keep track of probability of B is 1, given A is 1, and probability of B is 2, given A is 1, and B is 3, given A is 1. So the question is, do I actually need B is 4? And the answer is no, because probability of B is 4 given A is 1. It's just 1 minus the sum of these 3. So basically, given A is 1, we only need to keep track of 3 parameters, so 3 probabilities. And these needs to be estimated using the training data, for example. We just count the number of data with B is 1, A is 1, divided by the number of data with A is 1, for example. You can estimate those this way. And then the same thing happens with A is 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So there are 3 times 5, so basically 15 probabilities that we need to specify the conditional probability. So for Bayesian network, for example, or for an n-gram model, you need to add up this conditional probability table count for all different variables, for basically for all edges, and then you get the total number.